Hello, today we're going to learn how to use InDesign. So here you have all the photos. I recommend you to have all the photos, the class photos downloaded, this document open, and these class photos downloaded as well. So then you're going to go here and we're going to use this document. We're in the 2021-2022 yearbook drive. We're going to open this document, download it, and then you're going to open it. And here we're going to use this as a template, okay? So this is how you can modify things. Okay, 1.3. Here we're going to change their names. This is Jennifer and Aneri. We need to use names and last names, but I forgot there is. So Jennifer and Aneri here. Then when you are going to use their students' names, the easiest way to keep the same font is to erase up to here and then go to here and just copy and paste. Okay, here. For example, in this case, we cannot cut names or last names, so we need to put this in the lower row, okay? So skip that to the next line. Okay, here, same, we're gonna go to the document and we're just gonna copy and paste, okay? This way we're gonna keep the same font and we don't have to worry about that. That's a pain, believe me. Okay, that's how we're gonna do with the next lines, okay? That's how we're gonna copy their students' names. Okay, how do I do this? I just play with the mouse, okay? That's how I zoom in and zoom out. Okay, remember to modify this. We need to have the table of content ready so we can have the pages there. Okay, for the color of the pages, each grade has a different color, background color, so we need to make sure we change this. Okay, so here, this is grade 1, so it's yellow. Okay, so you have to have this background for each class, okay? You just click here. Only for the classes, okay? For specialists, it's white. You don't need this. It's white, and for the cover, it's white as well. Only pay attention from K1 to grade 4. Okay, so you have the background, you have the pages numbered correctly, you have the students' information and the teachers' information here. So next is the photos. So you're gonna press here, and then you're gonna press Command D, and you're gonna have your desktop open, and you're gonna go to that photo. So imagine this is Jennifer and Aneri, and you just click here. You can play, and you see these red lines. That means that you can play with the size. Okay, so you can put it how you want it. Okay, again, I'm gonna fill in this square, so I'm going to just press Command D, and then you have access to this, and you want this photo, and you just play with the size that you want. You can imagine you just want this students. You can play with that. Okay, that's absolutely fine. Okay, what else? Imagine you don't want 5 photos. You want 4. You can do that. You don't have to use this same format. The only rule is that it has to be aligned. So you cannot make this big square but leave it like this, okay? That wouldn't be consistent in the yearbook in different grade levels. So it has to be consistent. You can play with that, but leave the same kind of space, okay? That's what is important. Okay, so imagine you have all this page done. This is the page that we need up for January. This is what we need to submit in Balfour, okay? So then you are going to save. How you're going to save that? You're going to just go to File, Save As, and then 1.3 in design. And then, I don't know, make a folder for that, okay? I recommend you to make a folder, okay? And then you save. And then after, let's do this, and then we need to save this as a PDF, okay? That's how we need to save this. That will be for another video, okay? So this is what we're gonna be doing for this and the next month, okay? Thank you, ladies. See you soon. Bye-bye.